Hey, Sassy Scribble Squad. Welcome back to Sassy Scribble Code, where we're going from surviving to thriving, one prayer, one plan, and one budget at a time. Today, I'm budgeting our first paychecks of July 2026. Stay tuned.
Stack that cash, let your savings rise. Budget goals and dream filled skies. Can it, track it, we're on the right road. Turn those pennies into a treasure load. Save a little, trust in God. Join the Sassy Scribble Squad.
Hello, hey everybody. As I said earlier, welcome to my paycheck budget for pay period July 10, 2026. Okay, so we're going to get started with the income. My income was $494. Heavy income was $915. Okay, so we're just total everything up at the end. The bills for this pay period was phones, $85. First Microsoft subscription, $10. Marika, $10. Electric, $118. Google One, $3. Internet, $96. Car insurance, $136. Google One, $10. Canva, $15. And C subscription, $20. Okay, so next we are going to our expenses. I'm trying to have a zero-based budget. I don't think we're going to get here this term, but that is okay. Expenses is doctor appointments are going to be $135. Food was $125. Laundry, $20. Household, $25. Gas, $40. And a piece of furniture that I had got, $68. And also I needed a new charger. And that ran about $54 because I had to have it delivered. Saving challenges is going to be $191. Okay, and so that is it. No debt payments or savings. It is savings, but it is some still left in hubby's account. So we're going to go ahead and total this up. For the income, $494 plus $915 equals $1,409. Okay, now for bills. Oh, let me go down here and put $1,409. And for bills, 85 plus 10 plus 10 plus 118, 396, 136, 10, 15, 20 equals $503. So bills go down here, $503. Okay, now for expenses, 135 plus 125 plus 20 plus 25 plus 40 plus 68 and 54 equals $467. $467. Okay, so for saving challenges, sinking funds, that's $191. 191, 0 for debt and 0 for savings. 0 and 0. Okay. So $1,409 minus $503 minus $467 minus $191 equals $248 remaining. All right, and that is our realistic budget for our paychecks for every 2 weeks. Sorry, you guys, I am so sleepy. I am so sorry. So we get paid bi-weekly, every other Friday. Okay, you guys, so that completes our first paycheck budget for the month of July. Can you guys believe it's the halfway through the year already? It is going by so fast. If you enjoyed budgeting with me, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and join the Sassy Scribbles squad. Leave a comment below and let me know what is your biggest money goal for July. Thank you so much for budgeting with me and supporting Sassy Scribbles Co. Until next time, keep going from surviving to thriving, one prayer, one plan, and one budget at a time.